Greetings, teachers. Welcome to the Explore the Possibilities with Dr. Chisholm YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Rewa Chisholm, your host. Today, we're going to talk about our new devices that we received. Woo! And what can we do to make sure we utilize them in our classroom? Have you ever felt like you've been searching between tabs, moving between tabs faster than you're actually planning? Well, today's Teacher Tip Tuesday is just for you. Today's tech tip is going to help you multitask like a pro by using split screen on your iPad or your MacBook to help you plan with ease. Let's jump into split screen on your MacBook. Grab your device, open up your screen, make sure you're powered on, find the Safari web browser, then go up and click on an app of your choice. I'm going to use Curriculum Track since that's where we are putting our plans. Make sure you know your email address and type it in correctly, and make sure you hit submit when you have that in. Then you're going to go up to your plus bar and add another website. I think I'm going to settle on Deep Root since that's the Bible curriculum that we are using this year in 5th grade. And I have both of the tabs open. Now I'm going to go over, tap that, move it over to the left so it is a screen. Then I'm going to go hover over that green button and go down to fill and arrange. It's going to move it to the left. Then the other one automatically arranges to the right, and boom! So now we're going to split screen for our iPad. Grab your iPad, open it up, and find the Safari app. It's going to take you to your browser. Go up and find that 3 dots at the top and tap that split view because that's going to make it really easy for you as you open up Curriculum Track since that's where we are planning. You're going to take the Curriculum Track app. Of course, log in, get your email in there, make sure you spell it correctly, and then once you type it in, you're going to hit submit. So now that you are in Curriculum Track, you're going to take your finger and hold it down and move it over to the left. And because we are in that view, it automatically pops it up over to the left. And now I can open up our Bible curriculum, and boom, here we are. I use split screen all the time when I'm planning my lessons. I put my curriculum track up in my BJU material or my curriculum track up in my Bible materials. It's a great way for me to save time as well as stay focused and do everything I need to do in a timely manner. I invite you to try using split screen today during your planning period. And if it works, give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to share this video with another teacher that you feel like would benefit from this strategy. So Teacher Tip Tuesday, if you want another one, be sure to subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next session. Thank you for visiting Explore the Possibilities with Dr. Chisholm.